The Hewlett Packard DesignJet Z9 Plus 24-inch printer arrives on a pallet. Inside the box, there is a tray containing the printer stand parts, electrical cords, setup instructions, inks and print heads, and the wheels that the printer moves on. There are cords for every type of power requirement. Torx screws and a handy Torx driver are included. There is also a handy plastic container that mounts on the side of the printer. Inks and print heads are carefully arranged. The new Z9 Plus print heads are generic. They are all the same. There are 9 setup cartridges that are used to prime the ink delivery system and to start you on your way to printing. Soon they must be replaced with full-size 300 milliliter cartridges. The box easily slides up over the printer. I laid the folded box flat and used it to assemble the legs. The printer setup guide gives specific directions for assembly. Use the easy-to-follow instructions to assemble the printer base, or you can do it as I have shown. The styrofoam end caps enable 2 people to easily roll the printer 180 degrees off the pallet onto the floor. Fold back the packing and attach the base to the printer. Making sure the front wheels are taped in position as specified by the manual, 2 or 3 people may begin to roll and lift the printer upright. It's easy with the 24-inch Z9. The setup manual is very specific about how to remove the orange tape. Follow the instructions carefully. Around the back of the printer, we see that HP has included a sturdy plastic cowl to protect roll paper. The new HP Z9 printer, given to us by HP, is a welcome addition to the Lindquist Studios all HP printer lineup. The Z9 Plus guides you through setup via the tilting touchpad screen. Just follow the instructions. The purging caps are tight, so you must pull hard to get them out of their slots. It's important to shake the print heads before opening, but not too much. It's a good idea to check mark the box beside the ink colors, which identifies the print heads. The Z9 Plus control panel works just like a smartphone. Touch to select, swipe to scroll. The Z9 Plus embedded spectrophotometer moves amazingly fast and is a major asset to this printer. No other printers in its class include this amazing tool. Installing the Gloss Enhancer Upgrade Kit. The Gloss Enhancer Upgrade Kit consists of a folder containing directions and a USB drive that acts as a one-time dongle, which after installed requires the GE cartridge to be included in the ink lineup. Also, a new printhead, a 300 milliliter GE cartridge, and a purging cap to be used when installing the kit after initialization. Remove the slot cover marked E and install the Gloss Enhancer cartridge. I chose to install the Gloss Enhancer Upgrade Kit after initialization. It is simpler to install it from the beginning, but afterwards is fine too. Once the Gloss Enhancer and gray cartridges have been installed, the printer asks for a new printhead. The instructions guide us to locate and install the purger cap. With HP's guided instructions, it's difficult to make a mistake. Just follow the instructions and it's a snap. Just put the new Gloss Enhancer gray printhead in, close up, and the printer resumes initialization. The printer moves on automatically to do paper advanced calibration. Finally, the printer finishes with printhead alignment, which is a somewhat lengthy process. Once the printer has finished alignment, you can go on to making your first prints. I chose to do a black and white image of boats at Apalachicola Bay, Florida. The print is exceptional.